Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make Biscoff spread. I actually bought the ready one a few days ago in a supermarket close to me, but I thought that it was a bit expensive for what it was. I tried to look online, I found the recipe, it was not vegan, I just changed the ingredients to the vegan version, and here is the vegan version for all of you. Enjoy! The recipe is very simple, so you can use a bigger processor than mine. I'll use this one, maybe it's better if I break them, because it's more convenient to me as I'm gonna use this bowl as the container. There we go, so you can start to crumble the biscuits all together or step by step. Okay, and just reduce them to almost a powder and keep on going on until you have processed all the biscuits. Once you have this crumble, you can add all the rest of the ingredients. So we can start with the milk, sugar, cinnamon, lemon juice and melted butter, and just process it until it's well mixed all together. Okay, so I processed these for about a minute and this is the result. Exactly the same taste as the store-bought one. That's it. For sure cheaper, and you know what you put inside. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. There I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, Tommy.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.